Hey guys, Michel here, 7-time world speed shooting champion and pro staff with Laser Shot. I'm pumped about the 2019 season. It went extremely well. I won a couple of national championships, traveled the world doing so, meeting a lot of great folks, but my eyes are set on 2020. Thailand is the World Championship for the International Practical Shooting Confederation, and I'm there not only representing the USA, but also all my sponsors and my family. So I need to make sure that I'm prepared and ready to compete at the highest level sometime next year at the end of that year. So how do I get focused for that? Look, I'm on the range, I'm in the gym, I'm always focused, I'm always driven to get better and better every single day, and Laser Shot is a big part of my training regimen. When I can't get out to the range and I can't go out and shoot, it's raining, it's pouring, it's hot, it's cold, whatever it is, I can train in the comfort of my own home. Now with our Michel Adrenaline Pack, our practical shooting package, we have several different aspects of Laser Shot that I can train on to make me better every single day, and it's a whole lot of fun in doing so. I'm Michel, and I train with Laser Shot.